Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my private jungle. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna make incredible, unbelievable, super fantastic, insanely tasty, healthy summer salad with magical black cherry tomatoes and famous traditional Polish smoked cottage cheese. Okay, but first, as usual, I would like to present collection of all components that we need to create this extremely delicious salad. Amigos, extremely delicious salad just landed in my office. Bon appetit. Even bon appetit very much. Let's make some mess here.